Del here again, and this segment we're going to be talking about a wireless printer. And the first thing is, this is going to be another one of these items where don't do as I do, do as I say. And that number one is the foundation for it. This thing rock and rolls when it's working. So you might want to just consider putting it on something more solid, but because of the capacity of space and the availability of space in this residence, we had to use every little space we can get tends to be assigned a function, and this one is where the printer is. So it's an on and off switch here. It's not a button that you can feel, or the button doesn't indent. It's just an icon on the end. You can see here it's within a seconds it lights up. It's got copy, it's got scan, it's got cloud. So here I'll press copy, and there we got Mr. Dillon here that got his harmonica numbers, got the guitar chords, got the lyrics. So we'll just, as an example to show you how this copies. We'll set her in there face down, set it up. Now that brings in another one here, two more icons, and one of them is a black and white thing, which is what we want. This opens up automatically. They're scanning the document right now, which shows you on the little screen here, and you can hear it working. And because I told you it shakes and rattles when it works, it's decided not to do that now for our purposes on TV. So there it is on that. But it's been known to, believe me, it can move around if it has to. So it says copying, place another document, and select to copy successfully. It does other things. This is the simplest way to go around doing it. And no wires, folks, no cables, nothing, nada. It's just this. So there again, it's another item that you may or may not consider the cost of it versus the convenience. But if it's something that you decide that it's not worth the cost, well, then it's just something that's on me, and that we've performed a function for you. We saved you some money. So, and you can see it's not really a fast place another document and select to copy successfully. So here we are. We've got no finished product after I'm saying that, indicating that this is a functioning piece of equipment. I don't see any printed copy coming out of here. So I hear it working, but I'm not seeing anything. And I have to, maybe it's copying more than one, don't know. It says left one. We should be getting a black and white copy out of this. And so far we're getting nada. Okay, there it is. It's moving around like I said it would there. It takes a little while, but then here we are. Here's Mr. Dillon. We can all play that one song of his now, as long as provided we got a harmonica or a guitar or our voices or a combination of those three things. So, that's that. There's also scan. It can also print multiple copies. It can also print color. So, and I'm gonna do a little sotto voce to the producer here. Do we give out the model number?
If you want.
Either way. So this is an MG7120. And previously we've had always the connected the connected printers. So in other words, they were wired to the computer, and they were mostly right next to the computer. So that was the deal there.
Did you talk about how you can use this printer, print something from your phone or your computer wirelessly?
Good point. You can also print off your phone, and as I say, there's no wires or cables, so it comes off the computer wirelessly. You can print off the computer as well. And we got enough cables here already, so I mean, we don't need more. We tried to emphasize the positive point, but one negative point is that it doesn't hold much paper. So I think it's down here, yeah. You can see, well, this isn't that bad, but it's not like I've seen the video, the printer, the copiers that I work with mostly, they'll hold big chunks of paper, a ream maybe, and they'll have multiple drawers so that you can have maybe 2 or 3 reams of paper ready to go for larger little projects. But here it'll take a little more than this, but not really that much. But it'll take this is the letter size in there now, and I think it'll take the smaller size, what they call it, I think the A4s are smaller. I don't know if this will take legal size.